What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got the Pixel 7 Pro on deck, and it's a case video, guys. Now, what we got here is a case from a brand called Mous. This is not a sponsored video. This is the most expensive case that I bought for my Pixel 7 Pro. Now, with that being said, I spent that money on this case because there's a couple things about this case that I like. One, word of mouth. A lot of people been talking about this Mous brand and how good it is. So I wanted to check it out. It sounds pretty quality. People normally talk about things that they had a good experience with. Number two is one of them aramid fiber cases, but it looks to be a little bit more protective than normal. And also it adds MAGSAFE compatibility to my Pixel 7 Pro. So very dope things that I want to try out because I do have an Apple ecosystem and I do have some MagSafe chargers. I would like that compatibility to be available with my Pixel 7 Pro. So first and foremost, this is the packaging, guys. As you can see at Mous, very kind of blank packaging, cardboard packaging, not a $65 packaging. I'm going to be honest with you. This packaging is typical of cases that I paid way less for. Maybe they didn't want to invest in the packaging because they want to recycle and they want to be responsible and they want to protect the earth. I don't know, but it should be all up from here. Now let's get to this unpackaging. As you can see, we got this Mous logo. We're just gonna take this stick off, get that out the way. We're gonna see what's up in this box. Okay, so we got some cards and stuff. Feels kind of heavy. This is Life Without Limits. So this product has been certified by Mous to meet Google's compatibility standards, and there's a warning, magnetic field, things of that nature. You shouldn't put in there your pacemaker or ICD. Now we got the case, taking that out. Now structurally, it just hit me as soon as I took it out. Structurally, this has some nice solid structure to it. I can feel that this case is very structured, not a flimsy case at all. So this is what we came for, guys. This is what we came for. This is what we came to check out. We got to go over this with a fine-tooth comb. Look at that aramid fiber on the back. Now basically this case is not completely made out of aramid fiber. I believe it's some type of polycarbonate, and then the aramid fiber was applied on top. Still a good look, but as you can see on the edge of the aramid fiber, it almost look like it's some glue under there. It's just like a little glossy part that look like it's not supposed to be there. We gotta quality check this $65 case, guys. And at the top, as you can see, it's not aramid fiber. At the top, it's just like a matte rough type finish, rough TPU matte finish up here. It almost gives the look of like leather, but it's just plastic. And we got that Mous branding. Now I like the Mous branding, nice little touch. I guess it's a nice little touch on an all black case, some nice white branding. Now this case is very structured, guys. It's very structured. As you can see, it's not flimsy at all. And we got some drop absorption going on around the edges of the case, guys. As you can see, it's been bolstered up with some type of drop absorption technology. I like that. Even the sides of this case is not flimsy at all. I don't notice a slit in the button press. Something that I do like is we got that grip around the sides of the case. So grip is a big part of drop protection because it'll stop you from just dropping your phone, period. It'll stop the drop from happening. And we got it on each side. Also on each side of the case, we got a spot for a lanyard. If you like using lanyards, they on both sides of the case, whatever side you want to use. On the inside of the case, we got some type of soft material, almost feels like carpet. As you can see, we got the MagSafe ring in there, and I'm sure this is kind of like to protect your device in the drop and also protect the case from actually scratching up your device or messing up your devices. There are cases that if you put your device in there, if this don't have this type of material in there, it will scratch up your device. Nice big cutouts on the bottom for your Type-C and your speakers. So we got the device in the case, guys, and it is a nice little case, not too bulky. It's not super minimal. I wouldn't call this case minimal, but I wouldn't call it bulky. It's like right in the middle. Definitely adding protection all around the device, and protection for the camera bar. It's definitely raised up around the camera bar. The camera bar is a little recessed. I like that because this camera bar, you can get you a little crack easy with the glass over these cameras. We got that raised lip protection that you would want on any case, guys, because you want the case to hit the ground before your phone display hits the ground or the tabletop or whatever surface that you drop it on. So we got a nice easy button press, guys, but I wish these buttons just protruded a little bit more. They're almost kind of too recessed. I don't like that feeling. It's a little too recessed for me, but it's still a nice, easy button press. But every now and then, it might be a little frustrating to locate the button because it's just too far in aligned with the case. We gotta test this MagSafe. I got a nice little MagSafe from Pataka, a MagSafe battery power bank here. Let's go ahead and drop that on. And it's on there, guys. It's not the strongest magnet that I've ever felt, but it's a pretty decent magnet on here, guys. It's nice and on there. It's definitely on there. It's charging, guys. The MagSafe works well. Medium strength on the magnets, so that's very dope. We definitely got MagSafe going on. For 65 bucks for my Obsidian Pixel 7 Pro, I do like the case. I don't like the fact that it's not completely made out of carbon fiber or aramid fiber, you know, whatever you like to call it, because most of this case is just a hard polycarbonate, but you do have carbon fiber and you have, well, aramid fiber and MagSafe in the same case. Very protective, very well structured, but I just can't give it the pass of a Pataka or a later case because it's not completely, it's like almost just like a sheet of aramid fiber, and you really don't feel the weaving as much. It could be in that $50-$60 price range because you're getting MagSafe, you're getting some aramid fiber, even though it's not completely made out of aramid fiber. Nice and structured, guys. You got some grips on the side, full drop protection, raised lip around the front, raised lip around the camera. So yeah, I can't be mad at you if you spend 65, but I think the case is probably overpriced. Should be somewhere in the 40s. I say $40 to $50 range for this case. But I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.